If you have been banned from using Apple Pay and wish to appeal the decision, follow these steps to effectively present your case. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your Apple Pay account, including your Apple ID, transaction history, and any communication you have received regarding the ban. This will help you understand the reason for the ban and provide necessary details for your appeal. Step 2. Review Apple's policies. Familiarize yourself with Apple's terms of service and policies related to Apple Pay. Understanding the guidelines can help you identify if there was a violation and how to address it in your appeal. Step 3. Contact Apple support. Reach out to Apple support through their official website or app. Explain your situation clearly and provide them with the information you gathered. Be polite and concise, as this can help facilitate smoother communication process. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If directed by Apple support, submit a formal appeal through the appropriate channels. Include all relevant details, such as your account information, the nature of the ban, and any evidence that supports your case. Make sure to follow any specific instructions provided by Apple. Step 5. Follow-up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email and Apple support account for any updates. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban on Apple Pay. Good luck, and hopefully you will regain access to your account soon.